This is a piece of traditional Saltillo tile. Very often, Saltillo tiles will have irregular edges because they're all hand molded clay. This particular tile has a piece of excess clay on one edge of it. If the piece of excess clay is so big that it's interfering with your grout joint spacing, then they can be cut pretty easily. To cut them, you're going to need a grinder and a diamond blade. Just mount your diamond blade to your grinder. Identify the piece of clay that needs to be removed. Always wear goggles. Now the edge is completely smooth.